Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Hololive Dreams failed to retrieve data error. This will be a full guide, so follow me step by step. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll answer them for you. Without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that I recommend is by doing a simple reset on your PC. A simple reset fixes any simple glitches on your system or even connection errors. Go ahead and relaunch your game. If it does not fix, no worries, we have a few solutions. So the first thing that you need to do is go on your CMD right over here, run as administrator, and simply type in ipconfig space flush DNS. Go ahead and press enter. Next one is netsh winsock reset. Go ahead and press enter once more. Once you complete this too, this will clear corrupted network caches and reset sockets, and then go ahead and follow this by a reset. Once you reset your PC, go ahead and relaunch your game, and if it fixed, congratulations. If it does not, we have one last solution. So the next solution is by going on your network settings. So on your bottom right corner of your PC, click on your Ethernet, either your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, open network and internet settings, change adapter options. Over here, click on whether Ethernet or Wi-Fi. For me, it is Internet. Click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. And over here, use the following DNS for the second one over here. So what I'd like to use is 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS is 8.8.4.4, as this is the DNS server for Google Chrome. Actually, it is 844 and 8. Sorry about that. Once you do that, go ahead and press OK. And like what I'd like to do is right clicking on your Ethernet or Wi-Fi again, disabling them for a moment, and then wait for a few seconds and then re-enable it. Once done, go ahead and relaunch your game and it should be fixed. Hope you guys like this video, and if it helped, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys for watching. That is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you do find this video helpful, please leave a like. Have a wonderful day. Peace.